Hello. Today I'm taking you to one of the most unique and fascinating countries in the world, Australia. Australia is unlike anywhere else, both in its geography and nature. This continent is home to diverse ecosystems that range from deserts to rainforests, and you can encounter some of the most interesting animals in the world here. Australia's natural world is nothing short of a biological wonder. From the Great Barrier Reef to the red deserts, this vast continent has been isolated for millions of years, making it truly unique. This isolation has allowed plants and animals to evolve in ways that you won't find anywhere else in the world. Australia is home to many endemic species, both on land and in the water. While koalas nap in the trees, kangaroos hop across the grasslands with giant strides. But Australia's wildlife isn't just about cute animals. Some of the world's most dangerous creatures live here too. Now let's take a closer look at 5 animals that have become symbols of this amazing country. Kangaroo, the icon of Australia. What comes to mind when you think of kangaroos? Probably these large marsupials hopping around. It's quite common to see kangaroos bounding across Australia's vast plains. These remarkable creatures can hop at speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour and cover 8 to 9 meters in a single leap. Their large tails help them maintain balance, and their pouches are the perfect safe haven for their young. Australia is home to 4 main species of kangaroos: the red kangaroo, eastern grey kangaroo, western grey kangaroo, and antilopine kangaroo. Each has developed habits unique to its environment. For instance, the red kangaroo is adapted to live in arid regions, while the eastern grey kangaroo prefers more humid, forested areas. One of the most interesting things about kangaroos is that they minimize water loss by being active only during early morning or late evening. Koala eucalyptus lovers. Koalas represent the other cute side of Australia. These small, fluffy creatures spend most of their time sleeping, about 18 to 22 hours a day. This is because they feed almost exclusively on eucalyptus leaves, which are tough to digest. These leaves provide koalas with both food and water, as the water content in the leaves greatly reduces their need to drink. Koalas are usually solitary and live in trees. However, if there aren't enough trees in their area, they might have to walk on the ground to move from one tree to another. Unfortunately, koalas' natural habitats are threatened by urbanization and deforestation. Thankfully, efforts to protect koalas are increasing. Dingo, Australia's wild dog. Dingoes are wild dogs that roam freely across Australia's wilderness. Usually yellowish-brown or reddish in color, dingoes can hunt alone or in packs. They can be found in Australia's forests, deserts, and even in some urban areas. Many indigenous cultures have respected and admired dingoes, telling stories about their intelligence and agility. Dingoes have a diverse diet. They can hunt everything from rabbits to birds, and from small mammals to larger prey. However, conflicts with farmers have led to dingoes being seen as a threat in some areas. In Australia, dingoes are protected as part of the natural ecosystem, and their presence is managed carefully. Tasmanian Devil, small but mighty. The Tasmanian Devil is a small carnivorous marsupial native to Australia's Tasmania Island. It gets its name from its frightening screams and aggressive behavior. But this creature isn't as dangerous as it sounds. The Tasmanian Devil is one of the largest carnivorous marsupials, and its powerful jaws can even crush bones. It occupies a high position in the food chain and usually feeds on carrion, but it's also a skilled hunter. Unfortunately, the Tasmanian devil population is threatened by a contagious facial tumor disease. Intensive conservation efforts are underway to ensure the survival of this species. Cockatoos, colorful and vocal birds. Cockatoos are some of the most striking birds soaring through Australia's skies. These large parrots come in bright colors like white, pink, or yellow, and are easily recognized by the crests on their heads. Cockatoos are highly social and intelligent birds. They live in groups and are often seen in pairs. One of their most well-known traits is their ability to mimic sounds and human speech. Cockatoos' long lifespans lead them to form long-term partnerships, and many romantic stories are told about their love and loyalty. Australia is indeed a captivating country with its wild nature. The 5 animals we discussed are just the tip of the iceberg. Every corner of Australia is filled with countless secrets waiting to be discovered. If you ever get the chance to visit Australia, don't miss the opportunity to meet these amazing creatures. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.